Here we are with another sentence, a very common grammatical mistake that we make. It is me who teaches English. कुछ लोग को ये शायद ठीक भी लग रहा होगा, but this is grammatically this is incorrect. So let's find out how is this incorrect. So यहाँ पे pronoun we have two pronouns, it and we have another pronoun me used here, right? So but what is the subject? Which one of these is the subject? This is the subject, right? This is the subject. So we'll say it is I. Me is the objective case of the pronoun I. So we will say it is I who teaches English. Now you must be thinking, okay, what is then this pronoun doing? This pronoun is an impersonal pronoun. Impersonal, right? Impersonal pronoun. This is not the subject. It is just introduced to emphasize the fact that it is I who teaches English, right? So I hope you don't make this mistake.